it came to picking out wheels and tires for this new Bronco, we looked long and hard for the perfect pairing, and I think we found it.
I think
These
so.
are the Zion black machined tinted bronze wheels from the RTX off-road series. And I can tell you something, this is a good-looking 17-inch wheel.
That is going to look awesome on that. Very nicely done on your deal. You talk about this is a 17-inch wheel. The good thing is they've got options because they got them in the 18s as well, a couple different bolt patterns. So, I mean, you got a lot of different options.
You know, one of the things I really like about it, I think kind of set it off for me, was the fact that concave spoke on it. It really gives it some depth and some dimension, makes it stand out from the other wheels and the lines that you see out there, and I think really works well with this truck.
And that's really what we're trying to accomplish with this thing, is to give it its own unique personality, if you will, and I think these wheels are definitely going to help achieve that. Ooh, Bruno, take a look at this, dude. This is a big reveal early on in the show. This is exciting. And I'm down with the wheels that you picked, too.
You know,
That's
you can
nice.
also get these in a black milled red, but I think the bronze looks better for this overall package.